Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Roota Mittal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am interviewing Anjali, who is one of our Marketing Accelerator students. She's doing very well with the course, and I'm so excited to share her story with you guys. Welcome, Anjali. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your background. We would love to know more about you.
Hi, Rita. Thank you so much for having me here. So, yeah, so I just actually got out of college. I'm just a recent 2020 graduate. I graduated in engineering. And so I was like, I didn't have any idea as to what I was going to do in the lockdown. And after that, I actually got a job in a very good company. Right after college, I was placed there. But then it was in May, around April, I came across your ad. And then everything suddenly changed from there. And, right now I'm not joining my job, and this has worked out really well. And I'm pursuing this full time right now. Yeah.
That's amazing. So you gave up a job that was really good and then you started freelancing.
Yes, yes, totally. And I didn't have to do like, I didn't even have to like risk everything because even the first 2 months have been really great. So I was not like doing not so well and then taking a risk and doing that. It was not that. So I was like, I actually had solid data to show my parents also that, it would be going well, if I didn't even choose a job. Yeah.
Yeah. So are you in the 50K club or the 1 lakh
Yeah.
club?
So, like I joined the course in May, and then I couldn't work for like 1 or 2 months because of my PAN card thing, and then I started officially working in July. And the first month I was able to hit 50K club, and the second month I was able to hit 1 lakh club, and this is my third month actually going on, giving my services. Yeah.
That's amazing. I love to hear that. So how has your like family reacted and how has your life changed from before MA to right now?
Yeah. So when I decided of joining the course, I actually thought I'll take up the job and then use my salary to fund the course. That's what I thought initially. And then, of course, we have a lot of time right now, so I thought, why not use it? And everybody was scared initially for sure because it is an investment. And I just got out of college, and everybody was like, "You've got a job, like, why are you doing this?" So, like, everybody was confused. So, but I was really inspired, after I attended your workshop. And I was like, this is so good. I would even have done it. I would have tried my best to learn all of these stuff, even if I didn't get a chance to be in the course, because I really love what you have did along your career. So yeah, and I decided I took the step, and it was like I haven't sat down properly since May because I've been learning and working and all that, and it's completely changed because the most amazing thing that has changed because is that because I've done this, a lot of people who are close to me have taken bold decisions, and they've been inspired to do so many things that they've not done before, and that's super great to see. So yeah, that's the best thing.
Absolutely. I think your energy is completely different when you carve your own path and
Yeah,
it's like say no to normal societal things that you're supposed to do. And
yeah,
I love that you've inspired your family members also to
yeah,
get more freedom, more income,
yes,
and that's amazing.
yes.
Um, so like what is your favorite couple of pieces of content from Marketing Accelerator which has helped you the most?
That's actually a very difficult thing to choose, but but yeah, but the best thing I like about the entire course is that it provides an A to Z thing, about what to do. It doesn't just teach you things. The skills basically goes from the very beginning until you get a client, and also even after that. So that's really great. So the best thing I would say would be the mindset module and the get clients module for sure. And I didn't realize mindset module is so good until I, got demotivated in the middle and went back to it again. That's when I really started, knowing what it was about. And the get clients module is totally amazing because I've never seen such a piece of content anywhere in any other courses because everywhere they teach you stuff and they get you all the skills. But to do this like the ultimate thing, to get the clients, that's really, really amazing and it totally works. And I've only actually applied a part of that and I've got this and I'm so excited to apply the entire thing and see what's in place. Yeah.
Awesome. So, what are the kind of clients that you're working with right now, and like, what do you usually charge them?
I have not niched down right now. So I'm working with both product-based and service-based business. But actually, I work more with service-based business right now. And so I normally charge around $350 a month for Facebook ad campaigns. So I've mostly done Facebook ad campaigns and social media management right now. So this is the like rough amount I charge depending on the client. And the best thing is I've had a lot of recurring clients, people who have worked with me again. They've like one of my service and they've hired me again to do another service, which has been great actually. I haven't had to look for clients, for the past a few some time. So because I've been having my clients, recurring and hiring me again. So yeah, that's the best thing.
That's amazing because not just like you want to keep the client happy, but make them so
Yeah,
happy that they keep renewing,
yeah,
because
exactly.
that like solves so much of your problem of having to look for new clients every single
Totally, yes.
month. But however,
Yes,
I would also like to say that the next time you find clients, you should totally double your price and
yes,
like, charge your worth. I'm sure like you've got enough experience now,
yes,
and
definitely.
people will be happy to pay you your
Yes,
worth.
yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah. So what do you think about the marketing accelerator community and the coaching calls?
Yes, I'm so sorry. I totally forgot to mention that. When I joined the course, I didn't realize the importance of the group and the live Q&As. But once I started learning and doing things, I started getting a lot of doubts. And the group is totally amazing because never been part of such a community which helped people so much. I know I've talked to a lot of people personally as well as in the group. It's been like it's too good because even before we get to you, a lot of people clear our doubts and we learn from each other. That's totally amazing to have a set of people who are in the exact path that you are. So they have the same doubts and same problems. Everybody's facing the same problems, and it's really fun to be part of that. And I think that's one of the best parts of MA as well, the group and the coaching calls for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. I think when everything like dies down with COVID and everything, I
Yeah.
so like organize meetups and everything.
Yes.
Even like local meetups, some of you guys can take the lead and meet each other,
Yes. Yes.
because personal connection is everything. You get friends for life who are kind of on the same level as you, working
Definitely.
for the same goals as you.
Yeah.
So I think MA is like the best community to find peers and friends, and some
Yes. Yes.
people have also like teamed up and created their own agency together.
Companies. Yeah.
So that's very inspiring to
Yeah. I
know.
actually thought like I wouldn't have any friends or someone to connect with when I started doing an online business actually, but it's totally just the opposite. I've connected with a lot of people more than I would have, in the normal case.
For sure. And like when you're down, maybe you're frustrated
Yeah.
or you get a rejection, it helps so much that there is someone else who knows and understands this
Yeah.
industry, because the rest of your friends and family will not understand if
Yeah.
they're not in the same industry, how
Exactly.
things
Yes.
work and everything. So it's really helpful.
Definitely.
Uh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So what was your first client experience like? What was the story like? How did you end up getting them?
My first paid client would be from a Facebook group itself. So like I started engaging in Facebook groups right from day one, and in that first week of engagement that I did, I've gotten so many leads which are still active even right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, the first client was actually a consultation client who wanted me to help him with his business of running ads and all that. I didn't even know I could do that, before I did that.
Yeah.
So it was amazing. Like I didn't have to put a lot of effort in convincing them because whatever you've taught, just we just have that in mind, and if we just tell them that, or just follow that, they're automatically convinced. Of course, we can also give them that information because we've learned that from MA and gone through the process and all that. Yeah. So my
Yeah.
first client was a consultation client.
That's awesome. And then you might have like upsold them to
Yeah, yeah.
done for you.
Actually, I didn't even ask him. So he asked me to run his ads after that. So for his multiple businesses after the consultation gig, actually, yeah.
That's awesome. So we've already talked about like what you love about Marketing Accelerator. So would you like to share a productivity tip that maybe people are working from home? Like what is your favorite productivity hack to get shit done for
Yeah.
clients and for your business?
I was not very organized at all because I always had a lot of things going on in my head and I wasn't organized at all. But then I started writing, like I started planning the day, planning the week ahead, like you've taught in the mindset module. And then what I did is like whatever thing I have in my mind, be it any task or whatever problem it is, I used to write it down, everything. So when I just write it down, I realize that it's the thinking about the problem which creates a bigger issue and not the incident or the problem alone. So I calm down and I get things done and I tick it off and it feels super satisfying. And yeah, this has been the go-to hack for me to be productive and get things done. Like just writing down everything and like everything and anything.
Absolutely. Pen to paper is like the
Yeah.
best thing ever. You get such satisfaction. Even in
Yes.
this like day and age of technology, like I still
Yeah.
stick to pen and paper and
Definitely.
everything. So it really helps.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Anjali, you know how many people would love to enroll into Marketing Accelerator, but like maybe they are on the fence, they are not sure whether the investment is worth it, or maybe they are unsure whether this will work for them. Maybe they don't have any marketing experience,
Yeah.
or maybe they are working at a job and want to switch. So, like they might have a few thoughts and are on the fence, they are not sure about MA. So, what would you like to say to them about joining MA and keeping in mind your unique journey and what worked for you?
So, joining MA was one of the best decisions that I've made till now. So, I was also on the fence for like a month or so, and I've received your emails and all of that. So, I know exactly where all these people are right now. So,
Yeah.
I'm a person who's an engineering graduate with no marketing background whatsoever. So, if I can do that, it's very simple. Like when you think of it as a whole, it's difficult, but when you go step by step, it becomes simpler and easier to do. And the investment that you put right now would feel nothing at all, after a month or just as soon as you start getting clients, it wouldn't mean anything at all. You get like 3 times, 4 times back in the investment back in the first or the second month if you give time for that. So it wouldn't feel like an investment at all, once you get into the course and do it. And the one of the major reason I would recommend you all to join MA is that like it's not a course that teaches you skills. It completely changes your mindset and your entire activity and everything. Right now, for me, it's not just my marketing skills exactly. I have a lot of other businesses in my mind. The whole thing is that MA has opened many opportunities to me, has made me think a lot. Like it has made me see opportunities rather than blocks right now. So I see opportunities and chances everywhere than excuses or blocks. So I think that's the best thing. It completely changes you as a person. So definitely go for it. I actually borrowed from my grandmother the money to join MA, and I could pay her back in the first month itself. So just do whatever you have to do and get in, and you'll never regret it.
That's amazing. I love that story. And what you said about like MA changes you as a person. Yes, absolutely. If you
Yeah.
let it, if you
Yes.
implement and you go through the
Yeah.
content,
Yeah.
it
Definitely.
will forever change you. Like you will
Definitely.
not be the same person. And honestly, to achieve your dreams and to go after your goals, you
Yeah.
cannot be the same person as you were here.
Yeah.
You have to change as a person. You
Yeah.
have to grow as a person.
Yes. Yes.
I love
Totally.
that. I love to see that you're already thinking about other business ideas,
Yeah.
and these skills that you learn are going to be helpful
Yeah.
to you all
Definitely.
your life, like selling yourself, selling products, running advertising, doing
Totally.
funnels,
Yes.
getting people to say yes to your product or your service is just such an empowering feeling. And I
Totally.
love that you are at such a start of your career, and I'm sure like there's such great things in your future, and I cannot wait to see all of that.
Thank you.
All right, guys. So
Yeah.
if Anjali's story was inspiring to you, let us know in the comments below. Ask her any specific question if you want about her journey, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you're interested in enrolling to Marketing Accelerator, we have the link in the description. Go click, check out all of the information, and make the best decision for you. And thanks so much, Anjali. I'm sure your story is gonna help so many people.
Thank you so much, Ruta.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.